Good day, learners! It's fun time, math time! Today we'll be discussing about the union and intersection of sets and the difference of two sets. So, let's get started! Before we start our lesson, let's have first our brain buzzer. Here we can see our given set U. Now inside the set are numbers ranging from 1 to 10. For our activity, all we need to do is to tell whether the statement about the given set is true or false. Let's start with statement number 1. Here it says that the universal set is composed of numbers ranging from 1 to 10. Is this statement true or false? Correct. This statement is true. Now let's try number 2. It says that the subset of U are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Is this statement correct? Yes, it is. This statement is true. Now, let's try number 3. It says here that 0 and 10 is a subset of the set U. Is this true or is it false? Very good. It is false. Now, let's have the empty set is a subset of the set U. Yes, this is true. And then, finally, the cardinality number of set U is 10. Is this true or false? Very good. It is true. Okay, let's have another activity. This time we'll try to categorize the animals according to their habitat using a Venn diagram. Here you can get a piece of paper to draw your own Venn diagram, then place each animal which live in the same habitat together. Our animals are dog, frog, cow, fish, turtle, and another type of fish which we call a catfish. Okay, you can start drawing now. Are you done? Let's try to check our answers. Here is the correct answer. As we can see in our Venn diagram, both the dog and the cow are placed together because they both live on land. And then the two types of fish are placed together because they both live in water. And then the frog and the turtle are placed in between because they both live on land and in the water. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the operation of sets. Remember, union refers to the set containing all elements that are in set A or in set B. We have the big letter U as its symbol. And then intersection, on the other hand, is the set that consists of all elements that are found in both set A and in set B. Its symbol is an inverted U. And difference is a set of elements in A that are not found in B. It is represented by a dash as its symbol. The union of sets A and B is the set of elements that are members of set A or members of set B or members of both set A and B. Here is our example. We have a set A, and within set A are numbers 1, 2, and 3. And we also have set B consisting of numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. We can draw a Venn diagram to show the distribution of number in each set, and to identify which numbers are present in both set A and set B. Now to write the union of set A and B, we simply just take into consideration the numbers present in both sets, and we can get A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For our second example, we have set A, which is composed of letters A, B, C, D, and E, while set B is composed of vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Same thing, we will use a Venn diagram to see the distribution of letters and see which letters are present in both sets. And here we can comprehend that A union B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U. We just combine all the elements within set A and set B. Let's proceed to the intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets, set A and B, is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. Let's have example 1. Here we can see that set A is consist of numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then set B is consist of numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Now, the intersection of set A and set B are numbers which are similar to both sets or are present in both sets, and that is 1 and 2. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 1 and 2. For a second example, we have letters. Set A is composed of letters A, B, C, D, and E, and then set B is composed of vowels A, E, I, O, and U. So, to find the intersecting letters between set A and B, we use the Venn diagram, and we can see that letters A and E are both present in set A and in set B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to A and E. Finally, difference of sets. The difference of set A and B is the set of elements in A that are not found in B. Let's try this example. Set A will be consist of numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then set B will be consist of numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Now we draw in our Venn diagram and see which numbers only belongs to set A and which numbers only belong to set B and which numbers can be found in both set A and set B. Now we can see that the difference of set A and B is 3. For our second example, we will reverse it. Instead of the difference of set A and B, we will find the difference of set B and A. And here we have set A will be again consist of numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then set B will be consist of numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. We draw in our Venn diagram and we see which numbers belongs to set A, which numbers belongs to set B, and which numbers can be found or is present in both set A and in set B. Now, we can conclude that the difference of set B and A is 4, 5, and 6. It's time for another activity. We need to perform the following operation on sets. We have the first question: what is the intersection of set A and set C? That is right. The intersection of set A and set C is numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now question number 2. What is the intersection between set B and set C? Okay, the intersection between set B and set C is an empty set. Now on to question 3. What is the intersection between set A and set B? That is right. The intersection between set A and B are numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. For question 4, we have what is the union of set A and set B? Yes, that is correct. The union of set A and B are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. We're halfway there. Let's go to question number 5. What is the union of set B and set C? Okay, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We simply combine both sets or both elements in set B and in set C. Question 6. What is the union between set A and set C? Yes, the union between set A and set C is numbers ranging from 1 to 10. Again, we simply combine all the elements in set A and in set C. We're down to our last 3 questions. This time, question number 7. What is the difference between set A and set C? Okay, the difference of set A and C is numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Meaning these numbers can only be found in set A. Okay, next question we have, what's the difference between set B and set C? Okay, very good. The difference between set B and set C is or are numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These numbers can only be found on set or within set B. Question number 9, we have what is the difference between set A and set B? Great! The difference between set A and B are numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These are odd numbers and can only be found in set A. Finally, we're on question number 10. And here we have what's the difference between set C and set A? Okay, the difference between set C and set A is that's correct, an empty set. Meaning, all of the elements in set C can be found in set A. So we have an empty set. How about it? Were you able to get all correct answers? That's all for our lesson today. Thank you learners for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube and Facebook page. Till next time!